I know. Okay, I look crazy right now, but today I'm gonna show you how I transform from this to this. Hi everybody, my name is Venice. I'm a freelance makeup artist. I'm also a licensed beauty therapist with a passion for skincare. So if you're interested in makeup, skincare, and possibly the relationship that they have with each other, then you should consider subscribing. Alright, so let's just get into the video. So I'm just concealing my spots with this cream foundation so that when I put on the actual foundation now, I don't have to work too hard to build it up. If you've made it this far into the video, guys, what I want you to do is to tell me if you've been wearing any makeup during your quarantine time, if you've been trying out any new makeup looks, if you found a new hobby, or if you rediscovered old ones, because I'm find enough things to do being here at home. So you can let me know what you've been doing down in the comment section below. Okay guys, so here's one thing that I like to do because I'm not really into baking these days. I hardly bake. So what I'll do is I'll use my foundation. It's a powder foundation, by the way, and I'll just go over the areas that I had highlighted before. So I'm just gonna do that now. I feel like I still have that highlighted effect, but in a more natural way. It's more natural looking. And then once I'm done with that, I use a darker shade foundation, the same powder formula, but like a lot of shades darker than me. And I'm gonna link everything that I used today in the description box below. So I really like to take that darker shade foundation and just go around the perimeter of my face to bring some warmth to it. This is like my new favorite foundation. I've been using it since late last year, and it's the only foundation in terms of foundation that I've really been loving. It doesn't burn me out, it makes my skin look real nice, and it lasts for a very long time. Can't get enough. Oh my god. And then I like to squeeze up my brush like this and just press it right on the side of the nose to give that snatched effect, and then I'm gonna blend it out. I'm just gonna finish up this look off camera. I'm gonna do my lashes, put on my lips, put in my eyebrows, and then come back. I just had to add these earrings because this is a whole moment going on right here. Like this could be my quarantine date night makeup. Okay, I just look so grown. I look like one big man. Yeah, I look like I'm a grown-ass woman out here doing my thing. Alright, so this is the look, guys. I had something in my head and the look just went in a completely different direction, but I love it. Oh my gosh. So you can let me know what you think about it below. This was a very fun look for me to do today. You know, I feel empowered. I feel good. My hair look good, my face look good, me look good, my feel good. And I guess that's what taking care of yourself means. So this is the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's look. Remember to like and subscribe so that you can see what I do next. And if you have any questions, suggestions, anything that you want to see next from me, you can let me know in the comment section below. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, it is Faces by Ven. Enjoy the rest of the video, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.